Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to create new folder on macOS computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. You can create folder in various way on Mac computer. The first way is to right click on your desktop and you will find the first option, new folder. Click on it. Folder has been created. Now you can change the name, right click and click on rename, and you can give any name. I'm giving my docs, and you can reorganize it. You can create folder in another way. Click on file on upper right corner. Then you will find the second option, new folder. Click on it. The folder has been created, and the same way you can rename it. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.